Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's London and I'm back again with another video. This video is going to be a favorites video, a February favorites video actually. I'm a little out of breath, hold on, let me get my life together. So this is going to be a favorites video of everything that I liked in the month of February, little January, whatever. But I'm going to try to get this out the way. This is my first time doing this video. My camera's about to die, so I have to hurry up. But let's get started. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what's you guys' favorites. And, you know, I'm always willing to, you know, learn about new products. So comment some products down below that you guys love. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification button. So I want to start off with probably makeup. Let's do makeup. The first thing that I want to talk about is the MAC blush, and it's called Flirting with Danger. So I was using this blush. Oh, this is not it, but the brand was Black Radiance, and the blush was really dry, but I love the color, so I would have to like dig into the pan to actually get some use out of the color, and that was annoying. Like the blush was just not giving me payoff or nothing, and I'm just like, I tried to wet it and everything and it just wasn't working out. So I'm happy that I found this color. I love an orangey peachy blush, and it looks like this, but I love a blush like that. So that's my first favorite product. Another thing is this e.l.f. This e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer is the holy grail for only $6. It's supposed to be compared to the Tatcha Buttercup, not Tatcha Buttercup, but the Tatcha Primer, and I love this. Honestly, ever since I bought this, I never went with another product. This makes your face feel so airbrushed. It shrinks your pores. It just makes you look like, you know, a badass bitch. It makes your skin popping and everything. So I really recommend you getting it. It's at Target. I haven't seen it at Walgreens, but try Target, Walmart, anywhere that sells e.l.f. My next product that's for makeup wise is the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, baked face compact powder, and I have the color Foncé 60. This has been a game changer for me. I love the color. It's not too dark, it's not too orange, it's not too red. It's the perfect color for me. I was using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and that was coming off red sometimes, but I just liked it. I like how this is not a loose powder, it's a pressed powder. Those are my favorites because it doesn't get everywhere. You don't have to keep dumping stuff in a container to use it. It's not messy, so I really love this product. I've been using it. I bought like 3 of these. One to use at the shop while I'm doing other people's makeup, and for myself. The next thing that I like that is beauty wise is, I guess, my lip gloss. Let's get into lip gloss. So I'm gonna talk about 2 lip glosses. So I like this clear lip gloss from Makeup Revolution London. No, Makeup Revolution London. This is in the color Glaze. I love how thick it is, how shiny it is. I just want to put some on right now. This was very affordable. I think it was like $6, but it's very thick. And it also has a lip plumping agent inside of it. So it's very minty and it just makes your lip plump. I love the smell of it. It smells like gum. The next lip gloss that I have is this Revlon. I have a new one actually, but I can't seem to find it at the moment. But the gloss that I love is the Revlon lip gloss in the color Sky Pink. My favorite for any light pink looks that I want to go with. I usually go for like an everyday light pink gloss, and this is like the best gloss. I'm trying to find it right now. Hands down the best gloss that's out there. Literally. I can't find my new one. But the color that I wear is the color Sky Pink. So if you're into like the soft pinks or pale pinks, I highly recommend it. Another thing that I want to talk about is this Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. This mascara is the bomb.com. It makes your lashes look longer than they are. Your bottom lashes, you can get your bottom lashes. Look at this is the spool. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Oh, don't do that. It's trying to focus on my face, but look how thin that brush is. So it gets really in there. So this is very affordable. I would say $3 to $4. I don't know the exact price, but it's very affordable. It's very cheap, and it's actually worth the price. So that is for the makeup. Oh, let me just throw in one last product. The Wet n Wild Lip Scrub. Anytime your lips is feeling crusty, it's time to exfoliate. Anytime your lip gloss is feeling patchy and just it's not hitting, like it's just clumping up, it's time to exfoliate. I love this one. It smells so good. Smells like strawberries, but it says watermelon. To me it smells like strawberries, watermelon, whatever. But I like this. I think this was $2. It's very moisturizing while it's exfoliating, so you're not feeling like your lips just feels like you just stripped all the moisture out. It actually moisturizes while it's exfoliating. Now we're gonna get into some skincare products, and for skincare I recently picked up the Pixi Skin Treats Nourishing Cleansing Balm. This is great if you know, the makeup wipes are okay, but this really gets into your pores and gets all the makeup gunk, all the old foundation, concealer, all of that. This is a Vaseline type of base. It smells like petroleum jelly, but it looks like this inside. It's a greasy consistency, literally, so it just feels like Vaseline. I'm pretty sure you can put Vaseline on your face, but what this does is it's a balm to oil cleanser. So you put it on your face, put it on your face, put it on your face, massage every makeup that you want to get out, and then it says massage a small amount onto dry skin on face and neck, remove a damp cloth using circular movements, and then after I do that, I like to actually go in with a face wash because I don't like the feeling of being greasy. I don't know, just a pet peeve of mine. But I use this to really deep cleanse my face. And then I have this face mask that I got from TJ Maxx. This was $5.99. It's the Pearl Essence Turmeric Plus Honey Reviving Mask. And when I tell you, my face felt so soft after I used this. I was in love. It smells so good too. It smells very natural, like cinnamon, a little almondy. It smells good. I don't know why I keep trying to show you guys. But it revives your face. It's antioxidants rich, deep cleansing masses, reviving treatment for dry, dull skin, soothing honey with anti-inflammatory turmeric extract, revitalize tired skin, and reveals a youthful glow. Once I put this in and I let it sit for like 15 minutes, I let it personally sit for 15 minutes. I was feeling tight, like my skin was tight, but once I wiped it off, my face felt so soft, like you guys don't even understand. It felt baby smooth. And I usually go in like my skincare days or my self-care days, I usually try to, you know, do the whole thing. So I'll use this, then a cleansing wash, and this right after. So yeah, that's my skincare thing that I have. And another skincare thing that I have is the e.l.f. Yep, we're talking about e.l.f. again. So e.l.f. has this product line. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's usually blue. But it came with this and a face cleanser. I never tried the face cleanser. I'm actually gonna probably try it tonight. But this is so good. I have dry skin and it really moisturizes my face, and my under eyes are very dry too. Especially like I have to put under eye cream so when I want to bake it doesn't look like I'm an old lady with bags and wrinkles and stuff like that. So I definitely love this. It's the e.l.f. Illuminating Cream. It comes in a set. I think I paid like $7 for this at what's that store? TJ Maxx. Yeah. So that's my favorite skincare products. We're gonna move on to fragrance, and I only have one product for fragrance. This is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. I kind of want to spray some on right now. So I first got this when I went to Sephora and I seen the little tester tubes. It was $30 and I sprayed it and I'm like, this smells so good. And till this day it smells good. The only thing that I'm kind of like about is it doesn't really last, and I paid $90 for it, but the scent is delicious. Literally, like, I love the smell. It's a sweet, floral, sexy fragrance. Get it while you can. Get the little tester bottle, see how you like it or whatever, and then get the $90 bottle. Another thing that I like is standing right here is the Barefoot. Yes, wine. This is so good. Barefoot is so good. Like, wow, why is it so cheap if it's so good? I don't know, but I like the wine. It tastes this flavor, Riesling California. I don't know what the flavor is, but it just says refreshingly sweet and it's orange. And I also like the pink Moscato one. So yeah, the wine of February is this. It's so good. It's a very affordable. So if you want to get a little tipsy on a budget, you know, you can get tipsy on a budget. Another thing that's my favorite, it's my favorite for all the months of the year, are these bamboo earrings. Like, these would never go out of style for me. I always wore bamboo earrings. They was just cute. Like, I like the whole ghetto fab, the urban. I just love all of it. So cute. You can't go wrong with this at all. They're very affordable. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them from your local beauty supply store. They'd be trying to sell it at like H&M and charge a little $10. I'm not paying $10 for this, no. But yeah, at the beauty supply store, they're like $3 tops, $2 to $3, or even $1.99. So yeah. So another thing that I want to get into is this hair product. I have one hair product that I'm obsessing over. I actually just got it the other day. It's the it's the Shine of the Times High Gloss Hair Mist. I love it that it's lightweight. The only thing, like, to some people it might smell like an old lady. It has that very mature smell, but I do like how lightweight it is and how moisturizing it is, and it gets rid of your frizz and all of that. I want to get into this lotion that I got from Bath & Body Works. It's called the Apple Blossom Body Lotion. This smells so good and it's so moisturizing. Bath & Body Works is the only place I can get lotion from because it really keeps my skin in check. Honestly, every other lotion I be ashy 20 minutes later. Like, what's the point of me buying this if I'm gonna be ashy? But this, I feel like it's so thick and it has a little grease to it. It's made with aloe, shea butter, and vitamin E, so it's lightweight and powerful, and it melts into the skin, and I feel that. Like, I don't feel dry, and it smells so refreshing, literally. And to me, I always want to smell good. You just gotta always smell good. You gotta smell good, look good, all of that. For clothing and accessories are my Gucci socks. These are so cute. They're so thick. They were worth the money, honestly. I love these Gucci socks. You can wear with anything, dress it up, dress it down, it does not matter. But yeah. And then the other thing that I want to get into is my Gucci tights. I'm not sure if you could see. These actually need to, I don't know how I'm gonna wash these without them ripping, but they just have the Gucci monogram on it. I like these. These are very sexy to me. Like, I know I see a lot of people wear them as pants. I won't do all of that, but I wore this under like a long trench coat. Not a long trench coat, but it was like a mid-length trench coat, and this was just giving me the little sex appeal that I needed. It was sexy, classy, all of that. So I like that. This purse I've gotten from TJ Maxx. This is Steve Madden purse. This is another favorite that I have. This is my, like, everyday I want to look cute, look presentable bag. Throw everything in here. It's big on the inside, so you can fit your whole life in here if you wanted to. I have a lot of knickknacks in there, but this was $30 from TJ Maxx, and this bag is so cute, honestly. It's just so classy to me. Like, look how cute it is. And I like that it's black. Now, my last thing that I want to talk about before my camera dies, because it's on 11%, is this vintage Dior bag. And I got this from this consignment, high-end consignment place in my city. And I got it for a good a deal, actually. They want me to do a review on the bag. But this is actually cute. I don't know what I want to wear it with or how I'm going to wear it. Like, I have no white shoes to go with this. So this has been in its duster bag since I got it. And I got it like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. I just don't know how to wear it. But this is so cute. Literally. Oh my gosh. This was from the 90s. I forgot the designer's name that collaborated with this brand, but this is very cute. I need to know where I'm gonna wear it to. I have another bag that is my favorite, and it is the Louis Vuitton Papillon bag. You gotta put the French accent on it, honestly, because I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure, but it's so cute and small. You could just wear it however you want. And I love the shape of this bag. It's different from everything that I have, but I like how, I just love Louis Vuitton. The color, like, you could wear this with anything. I wouldn't wear it with this because that's doing too much, but you could wear it with anything. This is my favorite bag of all time. So this is one of my February favorites. Another thing that's my February favorite is my phone. I finally, for those who know me, I had the same phone for 4 years, the iPhone 7. Finally upgraded to an iPhone 11, thank God. And this has been the best investment that I ever had. The camera quality, girl, popping. My cousin actually told me to get this phone. Camera quality is popping. Everything is just new. Like, yeah, it's a whole vibe with the iPhone 11. And that wraps up my favorites video. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Let me know what you guys' favorites. Let me know what products you're into, what new purses you bought, anything that you guys went out to grab and that you actually liked. I'm looking for new fragrances, actually. Like, I'm trying to have more collections of fragrances, perfume, scented lotions, all of that. So let me know in the comment sections below what you recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.